What have you
We're
decided?
going to bat first.
This is the third game on this surface in, well, 4 matches and third on this one. What do you make of the surface, first of all?
I think it's still a good wicket to bat on, and we have been chasing a lot since last 4 or 5 games. So just wanted to change our bat first.
How are you feeling? I mean, you're up against a side that looks very, very intense and focused.
Yeah, they are playing good cricket, and we're not taking them light. And we are playing really good cricket as well. We just want to focus on ourselves, and we want to do over things right, all 40 overs, and I think it will be good enough.
You won quite comfortably against Sri Lanka, but any area of concern for you, any tweaking that your team needs at this stage?
I think it was a complete game. I just want to back that game again because we want to repeat the performance day in, day out, week in, week out. That's what we are looking for today as well.
Birthday today, what are we expecting from you with the bat?
I just want to do well. It doesn't matter birthday or any other game. I just want.
Are you thinking about it?
No, not really.
Okay.
It's just probably the first time I'm playing on my birthday. But yeah, I just want to do well.
Okay, enjoy it.
Thank you very much.